Hey friends, welcome back to Dazzling Styles. So this video is totally about a wedding makeup look because wedding months are going on. So without any further delay, let's move to the video. Cheering! So first I'm using this moisturizer for my face so that it will keep my skin hydrated for a long time. So now I'm using this skin glow serum, vitamin C and vitamin B3 from Good Vibes. So after skincare, I'm using this primer from Nykaa. This is really a good primer. Its texture is so smooth. So after primer, I'm using this, my favorite foundation from Wet n Wild. This is in golden beige shade. So now I'll blend it with this blender. So after blending it completely, I'm using this concealer from also Wet n Wild in medium shade. So I'll apply it. And now I'll also blend all these perfectly. So after blending it, I'm gonna use this compact from Maybelline New York, especially for under my eyes. Now I'll do a bit of contouring. So after this, I'm using a Etude Deluxe Cosmetic palette for my eye makeup. So I'm choosing this pink shade for my transition as well eyeshadow color. Now I'm using this golden shade for my eyelids using my fingertip. This is the kajal from Stay Quirky, so now I will use kajal. And now I'll smudge this kajal with this flattened brush. so it will give my eyes a smooth look and its kaajal doesn't look harsh. Yeah, so I have also put my falsies, so now I will use my Wet n Wild mascara. So this is the eyebrow pencil now from me now. So just groom my eyebrows a bit. Done with my brows, so it's time to put some cheeky blush. So this is a blush from Maybelline also. This is a color show blush. This is a pink, light pink shade. Time for some highlighting. This is a umber highlighter. So I'm using this. So done, so it's time to put some lip color. So I'm using a pink shade, that's why I'm using this pink, rose pink L51, the shade name. This is a pink lip pencil. Now I'm using this Color Sense pink lipstick in the shade LC75, the shade name Forever Rose. Shade name is Forever Rose 75. So it's done. So see you after putting my accessories in 2 minutes. So this is the complete look. How can I miss this for some Indian wedding? So friends, hope you like this video and hope you like this wedding makeup. So which is so quickly and I have done in just 10 to 15 minutes. So it is quite quick, I will say. So see you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy. Bye bye.